Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke here. Today, we've got something pretty special. This is the MovMax Blade Arm, and I'm super excited to dive into this. It came all the way from China. I might be one of the first people in the UK to get my hands on it. The MovMax Blade Arm is designed to give you those ultra-smooth, cinematic tracking shots of cars on roads. This accessory is specially designed for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, an extremely compact camera with a built-in gimbal system. It's one of the most sophisticated accessories for the Pocket 3 on the market so far, enhancing the camera's stability significantly on a fast-moving vehicle. We have the mounting hardware. This is what we'll use to attach to your vehicle or any flat surfaces. The main components are the arm and a rubber suction disc. The arm is lightweight and strong, made of aluminium. It has several bars and joints connected by a large spring damper, similar to what you might find on a remote control car. We see similar suction discs on professional car filming rigs, typically generating around 45 to 50 kg of suction force. Here's a screw bar, where you can add extra weight to keep the arm balanced. The blade arm is designed to stabilize your camera, minimizing shakes and vibrations. This is perfect for car shots, bikings, and any action scenes that you're planning to shoot. The rule of thumb is to ensure the front arm is parallel to the ground. Now we got it all set up, and let's see what kind of footage we can get with it. As you can see, the footage is incredibly smooth. Even when we are moving at high speed on a countryside road, that is usually more bumpier than in cities. There you have it, the MovMax Blade Arm paired with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's super fun and definitely holds its ground compared to our bigger rig with a professional camera on. But as you know, the best tool is the one that fits your budget and the shooting needs. If you have an Osmo and want to take your cinematic shots to the next level, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks a million for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. We are a new channel, and we'd love to share more about our experiences in video production. If you have any questions about the MovMax Blade Arm, drop them in the comments below. I will catch you guys up in the next one. Peace.